Capricorn, hi! Welcome to Mr. Queen PH. At ito ang inyong weekly reading for December 18 to 24, 2023. This is a general reading. Just take what resonates. Watch your Sun, Moon, Rising, Venus for other messages. And thank you sa lahat ng mga sumusuporta dito sa ating channel. Just a reminder, gamitin nyo lamang ang reading na to bilang gabay. And pa-follow, like na rin ang ating Facebook at TikTok. Lahat po yan, Mr. Queen PH. And please check out my Shopee. Available ang mga protection and prosperity items, bracelets, zodiac sign bracelets, and many more. Link on the description. So, let's see, Capricorn. What's up with you? Ngayong week na to, malapit na yung Capricorn season, ha? Okay, Capricorn. Overall energy, wow, the lovers. So, maaring ang inyong focus ngayong week na to ay ang mga mahal nyo sa buhay. Or this can also mean getting into a committed relationship. Yung iba naman, you are entering a commitment. Pwedeng decision making din yan. So, i-clarify natin later on. So, your challenge is the Fool. Yung iba, parang pwedeng nagdadalawang isip kayo sa mga susubukan yung bagay na hindi pa kayo pamilyar. Oo, something new. Oo, pwede rin tong you feel na, oy, pag sinubukan ko to para akong susugal, no? Ganon. Taking risks. So, pagdating naman ng inyong opportunity, you have the 7 of Wands. You have the opportunity to focus on yourself and take care of yourself with the 7 of Wands. Pwede kasing, hindi pong kaya mong ipagtanggol yung sarili mo. Regardless kung meron mga tao, bagay, sitwasyon na pumipigil sa'yo ngayon. Kaya mong mapagtagumpayan yan. And then, your blessing is Judgment. This is about major change in your life, especially sa sarili mo. Ano to? Yung ikaw yung may magbabago. Ikaw mismo, hindi yung tao or situation sa paligid mo. Ikaw mismo. You have the power to change your life, your situation right now. Oo, kaya lang yung iba, nagdadalawang isip dito sa susubukan nyo. What is the Lovers? What is the Lovers? Ooh! This is your energy, Capricorn. Okay? So, I think, iniisip nyo ngayon, practical ba? Yung papasukin mong commitment? Practical ba tong papasukin mong relationship? Itong partnership? Oo. Is this going to benefit you? Or, maaring naisipin mo, o ikaw lang yung nagiging benepisyo para sa iba. Okay? Kasi codependency rin tong the Devil card. What is the Fool? The 5 of Swords. I think kaya ka nagdadalawang isip kasi ayaw mo na malamangan. Ayaw mo na maisahan ka. Gusto mo manalo. Gusto mo manalo dito sa susubukan mo. And parang sigurista. Oo. Kasi itong 5 of Swords is about conflict or competition around you. So, iniisip mo kung malaki ba yung chance na mapagtagumpayan mo tong susubukan mo, lalo na kung ito ay hindi pa talaga proven and tested mo, no? Or hindi pa talaga to parang stable para sa'yo. Like, for example, meron kang papasuking bagong negosyo, na itong negosyo na to, hindi siya yung traditional na negosyo. Siyempre, isipin mo, ano kaya to? Mananalo kaya ako rito. So, it's like gamble. So, susugal ka talaga. What is the 7 of Wands? The 8 of Cups. Oh. Capricorn, you have the opportunity to leave a situation. Iwanan ng isang sitwasyon, alam mong hindi ka na nag-grow. Okay? Pwede tong, sa mata ng iba, okay pa siya. Okay pa yung situation na yan. Pero, ikaw mismo sa sarili mo, alam mo kung ano yung totoo. Na pwedeng hindi ka na masaya, parang feeling mo, limitado ka, ganon. So, I think, you have the opportunity to finally leave that. Kaya nga may blessing sa'yo sa changes na gagawin mo. The moment na may baguhin ka sa buhay mo, yun na yung simula, no, ng major transformation. Oh my God, the Sun. See, Capricorn, with the Sun card here, ito yung assurance sa'yo na, don't be afraid of changes. Especially kung yung pagbabago na yan, ikaw mismo yung gagawin mong pagbabago. And you will gain confidence. This will lead you to happiness. Whatever this is na iyong pinagdedesisyonan, na gawin, na pasukin, na subukan. And be a new relationship, career, a new path. Let's see. Yes, you are staying in power. You are getting ready. Diba? Very defensive ka. You're really protecting your energies. Yes, quick action or wish granted for you, Capricorn. Whatever this is na gustong-gusto mong ma-experience. Yun nga lang, yung iba sa inyo, umiiwas. Ito yung challenge ninyo na parang playing safe. Kasi syempre, di ba sabi nga, paano ka mananalo sa loto kung hindi ka tumataya? Di ba? So, ayun, maaring meron kang, kailangan mo na maglakas lang loob na sumubok. Kasi if you refuse to face your reality, parang may isip mo na parang wala kang dapat baguhin kasi hindi mo naman nakikita yung totoong reality sa buhay mo But the moment that you see through clearly your situation and ma-realize mo, kailangan na pala may magbago rito kasi hindi na nag-grow. Ganon. Oh my God, Capricorn. Challenge yourself to do what you think you can't. Oh my God, that's basically what the reading is all about, Capricorn. So this is sa iyong career. And then merong mga jealous, sa paligid mo. Ayan. So kumbaga maging maingat sa mga ka-deal mo diyan kasi yung iba pag nakaharap ka okay sila, pag tumalikod ka sinisiraan ka na sa iba. And also, syempre, kapag nakikita rin natin na merong mga umaangat sa buhay, friends natin, kung sino man, minsan kasi nakakaramdam tayo ng parang, nakakainis, bakit ganon? Normal yon. But, that is something that you should be changing and use that as a motivation, diba? As an inspiration. Definitely, you are upgrading, Capricorn. You're the big boss. You are leveling up. So, pwedeng iba sa inyo, meron kayong, career promotion or may pag-increase ng sweldo. So, kung ano yung meron kayo ngayon, it's improving, no? So, you are also focused on your family. Mas pagbibigay ng attention sa kanila. Yung iba naman, meron kayong mga kaibigan na ituturing yung parang pamilya nyo na. And I also see someone na attracted sa inyo romantically, no? So, tinan nyo kung saan hanggang saan yan papunta. Pwedeng kaibigan mo. Oo. You are going to shine, Capricorn. Don't dim your light. The world needs your unique talents and gifts. Shine brightly. Ayan. So, gamitin nyo daw yung mga God-given talents and gifts ninyo. Share them to the world. Okay? So, that is your reading, Capricorn. Kung nagustuhan nyo ito, naka-resonate kayo, mag-comment kayo dyan. Like, share, subscribe para lagi kayong updated sa ating mga readings. Thank you so much, Capricorn. See you again.